people coming in and cue the freaking fake applause, bro. How are you, ma'am?
I'm well. How are you?
I am so glad. You know what? I'm all aflutter right now because honestly, you're one of the major reasons why I chose to be in the music industry.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
Like for those that
wow.
don't know, I am Michael Keith of 112, the Grammy Award-winning, multi-platinum R&B sensation group from Bad Boy back in the days.
Yeah.
You know, all that good stuff. But you were one of the main reasons why.
Thank you. I'm honored.
You were
Thank
one
you
of the
so much.
Let me tell you something. You did a show. I don't know if you remember this. You did a show at Lakewood Amphitheater back in 1993.
Oh,
It was
yes.
you.
Dance
it was
Across America.
It was you, B. Angie B.
Yeah.
I think Babyface was there, and I was like in between, like I'm high school and getting ready to go to high school and stuff, and I'm this is my first concert ever. My aunt now, she knows that I had a passion for music.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to the concert. I said, man, I want to see some music. I want to hear some real music.
Some real singing.
Some real singing.
Yeah.
So I saw you perform. Like I saw you and I saw a little bit of B.N.G.B. because I'm gonna be honest with you. After I saw you perform, I didn't want to see B.N.G.B. no more. She closed it out, but at the same time, it was like you rocked everybody. So I was just like, oh my god. But I was in between whether or not I really wanted to be a musician. At this point, like I had the voice, and we had been doing talent shows and showcases and all this other stuff, but it wasn't really going anywhere. We never really got that opportunity, in our opinion. Like we were big in Atlanta, as far as like doing shows and stuff
Locals,
like that.
yeah.
But we never really had that opportunity, and so I started second guessing. I started second guessing God and everything.
Oh, wait a minute now. Hold on.
I started second guessing everything, and then all of a sudden, my aunt had tickets to you guys' concert at Lakewood. So I said, man, I'm gonna go. And I went. I saw you perform, and you were so inspirational. You were so inspirational to to everybody there.
Well, you have to be that way. I mean, that's the life that I live.
Mhm.
I can't say that. I can't speak for everyone.
Yeah, I was
else,
like, because you don't have to be,
but
you
that's the
were.
life that I
You were.
live.
You were.
I believe in everything that I sing, and I believe in everything that I do. I'm 100%
Mhm.
real.
Mhm.
What you see is what you get.
I know that's right. I know that's right. That's gonna be awesome, man. But I'm so honored. When Melinda told me you were coming, I said, say word. So he was like, no. Robin S. is coming. I said, man, you just don't know. Like, she was one of the major reasons why I said, you know what? I'm going to be a musician.
Wow, I'm really honored by that.
I'm going to be a
am.
musician because, I was in between anyway. But anyway, I can go on all night.
Okay.
But we're going to go back. We're going to go to the commercial. Let me compose myself.
Okay, compose. Breathe.
And sing.
And sing.
There we go. Okay. So we're going to go to commercial, and then we're going to come right back with the Robin S. on the M Squad show.
Yeah.